Okay, here we are at the $9,000 house as promised, and here comes the train, but please ignore that. So we took the one light down that we had on the side and put these two lights on the outside. This wall is going to be a shiplap, a stained shiplap. Now, if you remember, when we entered this house, it was horrible. It's like a house of horrors, like something on Saw, right? So that's what we have now. The house has been completely redone. Close the door. House has been completely redone. You see the walls have been done, new sheetrock walls and ceiling, recessed lighting that are dimmable lights. Window trim has been reduced for a more modern craftsman look. Flooring throughout. So we went with the same flooring throughout because we had so many issues going forward with the floors, and we wanted to decide just go ahead and keep it simple. This is bedroom number one. Bedroom number one. And I'm going to turn this ceiling fan on here while I'm in here. So this is bedroom number one. If you remember, there was no closet in bedroom number one. So it wasn't really actually what you could call a legal bedroom without the closet. So in bedroom number one, with the additional closet here, 1 bifold door incorporated into this room. Got 3 sources of power in this room. There were 2 more on this side, but if you remember, I didn't like those because I think they look safe. Third one right here behind the door. So I figured in this room, the configuration of this room, we could put a bed over here on this side. TV will be right here behind this wall. And you got an open space. So if somebody wants to work, you can put a desk right here, and a person can work throughout the day. So let's walk back out into the living room area. Okay. Come out and look to see the open kitchen. Remember, this was a wall. This entire area where this beam is was a wall. If you remember in the first video, I said I thought about taking the wall out and doing a half wall right here so I could put something on the wall inside. I was thinking that the kitchen was going to be feeling too small. So that's why I wanted to do that, to make it feel more grand while you're in it. But this actually works out better, I think. So the kitchen floors, I said the entire floor was taken out and replaced. This is where the gas stove will go, and above that will be the microwave that'll be vented. I'm having trouble with these window companies. I just need to get them to come out and put some windows in for me. So once I get that done, I'll be in good shape. Dishwasher will go right here. Okay. Dishwasher will go right here. This is where that hot water tank was. It was exposed, just sitting out in the kitchen. So what we did, what JC Renovations and Designs did, is they enclosed that thing. This is an old door that was actually here. They took the old door and repurposed it, and I like that because it's original from the house. Repurposed it, cut it out, put a vent there, and it's really nice. You see the hinges on the outside. It makes it have that old door feel, but we're still good, you know? It looks nice, and that's a conversation piece for me and people that may come to visit or whatever. Stand-up pantry. One thing, like I said once again, JC Renovations and Design. Measured everything out. Got the cabinetry just right. Really appreciate that. Because you go to so many houses and you see a cabinet sitting off by itself and nothing beside it. I really didn't want to go with that unfinished look, so now it's going to be custom. Because once they put that stove in here and that microwave, put that dishwasher in, all matching the same stainless steel look, this is going to be fantastic. So let's pan around and let's go to the second bedroom. Second bedroom is the same size as the first bedroom, even though it may look like it's a little bigger on the camera, but it's the same size. Got 3 power sources in the room. And one reason for that is the 3 power sources. I wanted this also to be an area where a person can set up a desk. Now, if they work from home, they can work right here in their bedroom. They don't have to be out in the front of the house. If somebody comes over to do something or speak with someone else, you can work right here and still be in silence. You know, video conference calls, whatever you may want to do. This would be a great place for someone who's coming to Talladega to see the race, or coming to Talladega College to visit their children. We'll go in here in the restroom, turn right, and you'll see that we have a decent sized laundry room. It's pretty good size. So what we're gonna have here, see where we have the washing machine. You got your hookups that are pinned to the wall, so there's no issue with that. You'll have your dryer vent and everything. We're gonna get a custom window. It's gonna be a custom window right here. So they'll be coming today to measure that. Yeah. Got a plug over here. So if you actually want to put a ironing board here, you can iron right here while you're in the restroom. So we're going to do something with a fan in here. When you come into this room and close the door, you're actually already in the bathroom. So you're in the bathroom, and this is just a case opening here. You go to that laundry, right? So you can see into there, but you go over here to the toilet, right? And you got this beautiful shower. It's a beautiful shower, absolutely beautiful. A really nice place when you go to hotels. I wanted this to be like when you go to a luxury hotel and you have these amenities, I wanted to give somebody the same amenities. So when they come in, they can they can have that luxury hotel feel, and then they be able to enjoy it and relax in peace in here in this bathroom. Same flooring, like I said, throughout. Soft closed toilets. So the interior of the house is basically done. I had to get this plate. They didn't have them in white. That's the only reason I don't have it up now, because they didn't have it in white when I went to the hardware store. Other than that, that's about it. We'll do one more walkthrough through the main area. Bedroom number 2. Overhead beam to give it a classy look. Thanks again, once again, to JC Renovations and Design. Same thing, first bedroom. Very nice propeller style fans. So what's going to happen is we're also going to put another propeller style fan right here. That'll be put up today. We'll get that together. Everything else will be in here in about a week. Gonna have it together and be ready for a tenant. Thanks for watching.